Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Here's a quick guide to becoming a specialized medical equipment, SME, services provider in Tennessee. Number 1. Licensing. Obtain a home medical equipment, HME, license from the Tennessee Health Facilities Commission, HFC. If you are providing home medical equipment, DME/SME, this requires a notarized application, an annual fee, currently $1,705 and a survey/inspection process. Note that a physical location in Tennessee is no longer required for licensure. Number 2. Business and ID. Form your legal agency and secure a Type 2 NPI. Number 3. Medicaid enrollment. Apply to become a provider with TennCare for state plan DME and/or the DID. Deputy of Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities for SME under the ECF Choices and 1915C waivers. Number 4. Documentation. Develop a specialized medical equipment policy and procedure manual, detailing medical necessity review, product catalog, delivery/setup protocols, and maintenance procedures. Number 5. Staff expertise. Employ equipment specialists or ATP-certified assistive technology professionals, staff for the assessment, customization, and training related to complex devices. Number 6. Final step. Submit your product list and obtain prior authorization for equipment, typically based on a physician's order or the participant's individual support plan, ISP. Need help through the process? Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to start your agency today.